For today's video, I am going to be testing out a variety of products from the brand DIBS Beauty. So I have 4 of their products to show you today. I've got their Highlight Road highlighter. So this is their Status Stick Face and Body highlighter. So here is what that looks like. And then I also have their Glowtour Duo. This is the Shimmering Blush and Contour Duo in the shade Starlit. So that is what this is. So it's a dual-sided product. So it's got the blush on one side and the contour on the other side. And then I also have their Desert Island Duo, their blush and bronzer stick. And this is in the shade 1. So that is this one here. And again, it's a dual-sided product. So you got the blush on one side and the bronzer on the other side. So the blush is the shade Out of Office, and then the bronzer is the shade Vacay Vibes. So for the bronzer and blush and contour sticks, I am going to show you both of these applied because I want you to just be able to see both of them. So I'll do the shimmery blush and contour on this side of my face, and then I'll do the blush and bronzer on this side of my face. So that way you guys can see both of them. And then I also have the Duet Baked Bronzer. This is in the shade Vanilla Latte. It's kind of a dual-sided or like two-toned bronzer. So here is what that looks like. So I know my makeup might end up looking a little funny just because I'm going to be showing you both of these and they're going to be different on each side of my face, and then also this. But I just kind of wanted to be able to show you guys both of them rather than just showing you one of these. So I'm going to start off with the blush and contour stick. So here is a look at the contour. And let's do that on this side of the face. So I'm just going to draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. That was not straight. And then that there. I'm just going to use my Fit Glow Beauty brush. This is one of their angled foundation brush. I love this for applying cream bronzers and contours. So again, this one is the contour in the shade Starlit. So contour is supposed to be more like giving you that shadow and shading type of thing, and then bronzer is supposed to be more so like to warm up your face. So that's kind of the difference between contour and bronzer. If you didn't know, you might already know that, but just wanted to share in case you didn't. It seems like it's blending out pretty well. I think the contour shade works pretty good for me. And I'm just gonna blend that in. Then I'm gonna take the blush and bronzer stick and I'm gonna do the bronzer on the other side. Okay, so you can definitely see that's a warmer color. So there is that. So if you can see the difference, here's the contour side and then here's the bronzer side. I just want to show you side by side because I think I should have done that in the first place. So I'm just going to apply a little more just so you can see the difference in the shades a little bit better. So now the bronzer. So now you can kind of compare them a bit. Contour side and the bronzer side. So there you can kind of see the differences with the shades, definitely quite different. So I feel like the contour, you know, is more of that like cool tone, and then the bronzer is more of a warm tone. Personally, I think I kind of like the contour better rather than the warm tone. I feel like it kind of just looks a little more natural on me. You can definitely tell the difference with the sides. I don't know, I do like the bronzer side too though. I think it is pretty, and these do blend out really nicely, really well. Again, there's a difference, contour side and then the bronzer side. Let me know which one you like better. So now let's do blush. So we're gonna do this blush on this side, and this is supposed to be more of a shimmery blush. You can see it definitely has a little bit of a luminosity to it. And then the other side, this is more of a just matte blush. There's this shimmery blush and then the matte blush. I just mean like a solid color, not shimmery. I think it'll still be kind of dewy. I'm just gonna use the sponge to blend this in. Very easy to blend in. This one's definitely a bit more pigmented. I also think I might have applied a little bit more of this one. Also very easy to blend in. That's pretty. I like that. I like both of these shades. I think they're both really pretty. I'm just going to apply a little bit more of this one because I think I applied less of it. Or this one, I feel like isn't as pigmented maybe. It's just not quite as intense. Both very pretty. So now taking the bronzer, and again, the shade Vanilla Latte. I'm just gonna use my Kosas brush to apply it. I love this brush. I'm just gonna kind of swirl to mix both sides and just apply. And make sure I'm actually getting product. I feel like I'm not getting a whole lot on my brush. I feel like I'm gonna have to like work into the product a bit and for it to show up more, because I feel like it's not picking up a whole lot of product. But I like that. I feel like this bronzer is one that is just easy to work with, so you don't have to worry about getting too much product on your brush, and so that way it just looks more natural. I think it looks really pretty. It's kind of like a little bit of a somewhat luminous bronzer, so I personally really like that, but it's also subtly luminous. It's not like glittery or shiny or anything like that. I think it looks really, really pretty, and I think that color looks really nice. All right, so now the highlight stick. So this is Highlight Road Highlight. All right, so here is a look at that. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna use my finger to take a little bit of the product and then just blend it in with my finger. That's pretty. And then I'm just gonna take a little, put it on the brow bone. There it is. Those are all of the products. I think these are really pretty. Gives me a nice, gorgeous glow. So I like these. I think these are really nice. Let me know what you think about them. If you are interested, I will have all of these products listed and linked in the description box below, so you can easily find them if you want. No pressure to use my links, but it's just there if you want it. Let me know what you guys think about these products, which ones you like, or maybe if you don't like any of them, let me know. I would love to know if you have tried any of these. I'd love to know your thoughts on them. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're not already subscribed and you'd like to see even more content from my channel, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.